So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Charles Schwab account. We're actually going to be doing this through the app in real time with our iOS device. So keep in mind your Android account might look a little bit different. So we're here on the main account of our Charles Schwab account. You can see on the bottom left-hand side, we have that currently highlighted. And just a quick thank you to our sponsor, Money Pickle. You can check them out in the show notes down below. Now, let's go ahead and learn how to withdraw our money from our Charles Schwab account. If we want to go ahead and go to the bottom right-hand side over here on the screen where you see more, and then we have the horizontal three dots, we're going to tap right over here. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do over here where it says move money, we have an option here to transfer funds. Now, here's a really great thing is if you have Zelle associated with another bank, as well as having multiple different types of emails, you can actually Zelle yourself from one to another. So keep that in mind. That is a future video. We'll go into more detail, but for today's example, we're just going to do a traditional bank transfer out of our account. Now, one other thing I do want to mention too is depending on how your funds have been inserted into this account, it might take a couple days before you can actually withdraw all your money. And part of the reason is because sometimes when you're doing a deposit into the account, they give you access to that fund immediately while actually having to still withdraw it from your original account. So you might not always be able to withdraw the money right away. Please keep that in mind. It might take a couple days to have access to it. So from here, we're going to choose the from account that we want to pull money from. And from here, you can see the different accounts we have. So we actually do have the individual brokerage account, which has that $4.98. I'm going to tap right over here, and that's going to populate it over here. And then our to account from here, we have two external accounts on file for us. So we're going to choose one of those. And now we're going to go ahead and have this information pre-populated here for us to choose how much money we want to go ahead and send, how often, and the date that we want to send it. So for our example here today, I'm just going to go ahead and send $2 and hit done here for us. And then you can see it's going to have our continue button now highlighted and ready for us to go to the review page. And right over here, this is just reviewing everything. Make sure everything looks good and that you're sending it to the right bank accounts, and that right over here, it's going to have that transfer date for you as well. If everything looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on submit transfer. And right over here, you can see that our transfer has been successfully placed and ready to go. Now there's more to utilizing Charles Schwab, so we got you covered. Check out our video series right over here to keep on learning.